interactions with students. Mostly we do the plant distribution. We also do the seed distribution. But this year we said we will change it a little bit and focus more on the seed distribution. कितें आता झाड दिलो झाड दिलें आनी मागीर we plant the tree. But when you are given a seed, you have to first germinate the seed, correct? You'll remember, right? What you have studied. The germination of a seed takes place. Subsequently, that becomes a sapling, that becomes a tree after some time, becomes a plant, and then it becomes a tree. So I want each and every one of you all to treat this as your personal project at home, like Man rightly said. Let it be a kitchen garden, let it be an experiment, let it be a science experiment that you all learn in your very own home, in your very own garden. And I believe you, believe me not, the joy that you will get from taking care of a plant that you germinated yourself is far more greater than just only planting a tree. You will understand more about the entire process, and the plant will grow with you. As you grow, the plant will grow. Most importantly, each seed is very local, very native to Goa. So we have made sure that we give all native trees, all native plants, and that in intel will allow you all to understand how native plants grow, which plant requires shade, which plant requires sunlight, which plant requires both. You all will have to balance it to make sure that the plant survives. So again, my dear students, thank you all for being part of this initiative, and we will adopt a concept of green ambassadors through our initiative of Stronger Mapusa, where each and every school will be an ambassador for our green initiative. And we have a plan on making Mapusa greener than it already is, and with the support of all of you all, we will be able to achieve that. So again, my dear students, thank you very much. Thank you, management, Mr. Joshi. Thank you for being here to be part of this initiative, to allow our young minds in the future, leaders of our city of Mapusa and our beautiful state of Goa, to be part of this. Thank you. We know that it is Mahotsav week, and we all know about the initiative of our Honorable Prime Minister, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. I think you all are all aware. Are you all aware?
Yes.
So, instead of giving you all trees, I would like to give you all seeds. And what happens with the seed? You have to germinate a seed. And once you germinate a seed, it becomes a plant, it becomes a sapling. So you all have to take care of that sapling, you all have to give love for that sapling and watch it become into a tree. So this process takes time, and this process requires love and attention. And it allows you all to understand the process which they will learn in science. As they become older, you all will learn germination of a plant, of a seed, germination of seeds, how it takes place. So this will be a practical exam for all of you all. So I want you all to take care of these seeds and nurture them into plants, and watch them become and watch them grow. So as you all grow, the plants also grow with along with you all, and become either fruit bearing trees and either become seed bearing trees. These plants are very native to Goa, and I want you all to understand what grows in Goa, how it grows in Goa, what type of weather it requires. It requires rain, it requires sun, it requires shade. All these different aspects of growth of a tree is all important to how this plant will grow in its whole life cycle, and what type of fruit or flower or seed it will provide. So again, my dear students, I would like to thank you all for being part of this this initiative, and I would like you all to participate along with your school towards making this successful. So again, thank you, and thank you each and every student for being part of this. Also the management of the school, including Mr. Mantravadi, for being here today to help us with this initiative. Thank you.
करा खातीर